Welcome back to PRATIK Academy. In this video, we will discuss our next chapter, that is arithmetic progression. We can call it as also AP. So what is AP? So AP is nothing but sequence of numbers. Sequence of numbers in which difference between two consecutive numbers is always constant. Difference between two consecutive terms or numbers is always constant, then that sequence is called as AP or arithmetic progressions. Let's take one example: 1 2 or 1 5 9 14. Okay, over here I will take 13. Then if you observe here 1, here 5, difference between 2 is 5 minus 4, 5 minus 1, 4. Here difference between two consecutive terms, that is 9 minus 5 is again 4. Here difference between two terms, 13 minus 9 is 4. That means here difference between two successive or consecutive terms in a sequence is maintained constant, so these numbers are said to be in AP. So this is simple one. So here this is our first term, so called as T1. This is second term, called as T2. This is third term, we can call as T3 and T4. So here difference between two consecutive terms, T2 minus T1, that is equal to T3 minus T2, that is equal to T4 minus T3, and in same manner this is equal to Tn minus its consecutive term, that is minus 1, is constant. So these numbers are said to be in AP. Okay, then there are some standard terms or variables usually are used in this, or standard notations are used for AP. Initial term, that is T1 term, initial term, or we can say first term, that is T1, is denoted by letter A in AP. If numbers are in AP, initial term is denoted by letter A. Then here we are observed that difference between two numbers is constant, so this difference is called as common difference, and it is denoted by letter D. Okay, in AP. So if you use these symbols here, then T1 will be A, then sorry, our T2 will be first term and plus its difference, so plus D. The next term will be A plus D, this is our second term, plus common difference D. The next term will be A plus D plus D, that is previous term, plus common difference. Okay, so if you observe this, then we can write in like that: A plus D, A plus 2D, and similarly A plus 3D. Okay, and like that. If we want to write nth term, then that will be, this is our T1 term, then this is our T2 term, this is T3rd term, and T4 term. If you observe, when we want to write one term, then there is no any difference. For second terms, we have to add 1 times d. For third term, we have added 2 times d. For fourth term, 3 times d. So for nth term, there will be n minus 1 times d. So our next formula is here, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so this is about AP. So when sequence of numbers, or it is a sequence of numbers in which difference between two terms is constant, difference between two consecutive terms is constant, then numbers are in AP. So we want only constant difference. This constant may be positive, may be negative, or even zero. That is, difference between two terms may be positive, difference between two consecutive terms may be negative, or it may be zero. But if it is constant, then numbers are in AP. So it is important to remember. So based upon that, we will solve practice set 3.1. Practice set 3.1, in which first type of examples. Question is, which of the following sequences are in AP? If they are AP, find common difference. So I will write first sub question. Difference is 2. So the numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, and in same manner. So we have to check these numbers are in AP or not. That means we have to find out if difference between two consecutive terms is constant or not. Let's call this is T1, T2, T3, T4. So difference between T2 minus T1, that is 4 minus 2 is coming 2. Here T3 minus T2 is 6 minus 4 is coming 2. Then T4 minus T3, it is 8 minus 6 is coming 2. So here difference between two consecutive terms are constant, therefore numbers are AP. Numbers are in AP. And what is common difference? And D is 2 here. Common difference is 2. In same way, let's go for problem number 2. See here, 2, 5 by 2, 5 divided by 2, 3, 7 upon 3. So again, find difference, T2 minus T1, that is 5 upon 2 minus 2, 5 upon 2, that is 2.5 minus 2, difference is 0.5. Then T3 minus T2, here 3 minus 5 upon 2, that is 3 minus 2.5, is 0.5. Then T4 minus T3, that is equal to 7 divided by 3 minus 3, then 7 divided by 3, so 3 2 the 6, then 1, 3 1 the 3, 3 1 the 3 3 the 10, 3 3 the 10, minus 3 is equal to 0.66. So here we can say that T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2, but it is not equal to T4 minus T3. Okay, so difference between first three terms is constant but not equals to fourth and third term, so numbers are in not in AP. Okay, so there is a interesting example, it's 6-1. Here if you check that example, difference is coming 0, but as we have discussed, there is a constant 0 difference. So again, numbers are in AP for problem 6. Okay, now we will go for question 2. Question 2 is write an AP whose first term is A, common difference is D in each of the following terms. So they have given A as 10, D as 5. So we know that for AP sequence is A, second term is A plus D, third term is A plus 2D, then A plus 3D, like that. So put values. A is 10 plus 10 comma 10 plus 5 comma 10 plus 5 times 2, 10 plus 2 times 5, 10 plus 2 times 3 times 5, like that. So here is coming 10, 10 plus 5 15, 10 plus 10 20, 10 plus this 15 25. So required sequence is 10 15 20 25. Then we will go for problem number 4th. Here A is given minus 1.25, D is given 3. So our for sequence is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D in same manner. A is minus 1.25, second term is minus 1.25 plus difference D. Next term is minus 1.25 plus 2 times common difference, it is 3. Next term is minus 1.25 3 times common difference. Okay, so first term as it is minus 1.25, next term minus 1.25 plus 2, so this difference is coming 1.75. Let's check your calculation. In here 1.25 plus 6, in here minus 1.25 plus 3 plus 3 into 3 9. So this difference is remaining minus 1.25 1.75. This difference 1.25 minus 6, that is coming 4. Yes, this difference is 4.75. Okay, here 9 minus 1.25, so difference is 7.75. so if you look at here minus 1.25 plus 3 is 1.75. Sorry, if you do it here, yes, difference is here. Just 1 minute. No, it is right. The numbers are minus 1.25, 1.75, 4.75, 7.75. And last one, very simple. Here find the first term and common difference for each of the following AP. So numbers are given in AP already. So let's take one simple example. 5, 1, minus 3, minus 4. So our A, that is initial term, is 5. That is our T1 term. T1 is equal to A is equal to 5 here. T2 is equal to given 1. So initial term is found out to be 5. So D is equal to T2 minus T1, that is 1 minus 5 minus 4. So this is very simple examples from problem number 3. Okay, so this is about AP and practice set 3.1. if you have any doubt in this practice set or concept of AP, you can call us or WhatsApp us on our number 9422378762. Okay, Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video with your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you.